and then the half hip we talked about last time. And today, we are going to talk about the operation of the total hip joint tool. The femoral stem we are using today. Use the half-femoral stem type 1 tool. Medullary file, ball head. The total hip is currently 28 in diameter, 32 diameter, and 36 diameter, high carbon metal and ceramic ball heads. So we begin a process of surgery. The first step is the same as half the hip. Use an osteotomy ruler. For assisting physicians in osteotomy. After the osteotomy is completed, use a head pick. Remove the patient's femoral head. After taking it out, use an electric drill, etc. Connect the pulp file link to the drill. Put on an acetabular file. The acetabular file is from 42 to 72. It supports small mortar cups. Also supports oversized cup. Both single and even numbers are available. We install the smallest one. Increment sequentially. To grind his acetabulum. Grind down to the proper acetabulum. Our prototype implants. The principle is to beat the order and hit the double. We drop the order number. For example, we're down to 49. We prepare for him the corresponding model of 49. To the doctor. Go in and see if he has sufficient coverage. Including press matching, is the force enough, if possible. I'm just going to put it into the right mold. Also use this prototype implant. Put the mold in. Type in. After typing in, it's time to get used to the doctor, or the patient's constitution. Comprehensive considerations of the body. See if you need acetabular screws. If you need to hit the acetabular screw, we prepare drill bits and sleeves with acetabular screws. Connect the drill. Make the corresponding screw holes for the patient. After the fight, a sounding ruler to measure its true length. For now, the lengths of acetabular screws provided are 22-25-30 length, according to the results of the measurements of the bathymeter. To select the corresponding screw, screw the nail on. We also provide our titanium cups. Occluder cup plugging of implant hole. There is also a screw occluder. If the doctor needs to block, open the blocked cup. Seal it into the corresponding hole. According to this preoperative plan, whether to choose a high hinge lining or a ceramic lining. After we choose the titanium cup, we also know the corresponding lining. How big a liner do we choose? 28, 32, or 36 will tell. We attach the corresponding inner liner. Insert our linings. And at this point, we're done with the acetabulum. Our femur part. It is the same as the operation of the half hip. Use our pagoda drill. Find the medullary cavity of the femur first. Meanwhile, we use an opener. Open the medullary cavity with our T-handle and pressure relief reamer. To decompress the medullary cavity, this step can also be connected to an electric drill according to the doctor's habits. You can also connect the quick install handle. The next step is to start dealing with the medullary cavity. Start with the smallest number. Increment sequentially. Increment to feel okay. Remember, leave this medullary reamer in the femur. Select the corresponding prototype. Combine like this, our actual prosthesis. Try it out with us now. This model, in combination with acetabular setbacks, is 1:1. Select the corresponding ball head. 32, 36 or 28. Choose the corresponding titanium cup according to the situation of your current fashion. Generally, doctors will choose M size. That's the standard size ball head. To install, use our headers. Reset. 2-hole, pull, rotate. Adduction, extraversion. Take a look at the big picture. The ball is in the acetabulum. Is it possible to move freely? Well, consider whether his joint rake is appropriate. If there is no problem, open the corresponding femoral stem and ball head prosthesis. Use our handle beater handle to slowly punch in. Hit the right spot. At the same time, put our ball head. Put it on our handle. When installing, remember that it is rotated and installed. Don't hard press, because during the rotation, it drains the air out of the ball head. Create a negative pressure. This way your ball head is firmer on the handle. Usually for insurance, the doctor will use the headgear again. Tap it a few more times to make sure it's firm on the handle. Reset the hole at this time, and then we're done.